Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. So while using, allow. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and tap on Home App. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. So after clicking got it, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by accessing exactly the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!